Hello everyone. In the last class, we discussed about type conversions in C sharp. Now we are going to discuss about operators in C sharp. What are operators and what we can perform with these operators. So see, what are operators means? Operators are special symbols used to perform operations over data. Operations over data. Right. So and then what are the you see different symbols we have, like plus is a symbol, minus is a symbol, like star is a symbol, slash it is also a symbol, and modulus percentage it is also a symbol like this here, and it is also a symbol like that. Like the different symbols are there. All these are called as operators. Right? Operator, which is a symbol which is used to perform some kind of operation over data. Right? For example, if I wanted to perform addition over two numbers, right? I can perform addition over two numbers, right? Now, the first data is 5, and the operator I will use plus, right? So because from our childhood onwards, we know this sign is used to perform addition. We know which operation we are going to perform by using this plus sign. We know that is addition. In the same way, compiler will also do the same task. When it finds this operator, then it tries to add the data values of both sides of it, and it will returns you a result. Okay, all operators are going to give you some result, right? All operators will give some result to you. Will gives some result to you after performing operation. So here, what is the result? We will get some data. Okay? Data only the return value from the operator. Okay, now here you observe. Already we know this plus is the operator. Then what is 5 and what are 6? What are these 5 and 6? Data values, right? So then these data values are called as operands. Right? So 5 and 6 are called as operands. Then how many operands we used here? Two operands. So that's why depending upon the number of operands, depending on number of operands needed by the operator to perform operation, depending on number of operands needed by the operator to perform operation will depending on this, the operators are classified. Okay, by the operator to perform operation is classified like this. Is classified as, right? So now, so if a operator needs two operands, then it is called as binary operator. If a operator needs single operand, it is called as unary operator. Okay, so unary operator. So here I will unary. Unary operator needs a single operand. Unary operator needs a single operand. Okay, the examples are like plus, minus, right, and not operator. So these are unary operators. So for example, if we consider, um, if I ask you that I just typed a number here, you can able to see that is that number is positive or negative? Is this phi is positive or negative? Compulsory will say it is positive, because if nothing is represented in front of a number, we will consider it as positive. By default, plus is there in front of phi. Now you observe this plus is performed its operation. How many operands? Only one operand. Now plus can be considered as unary operator also, right? So now in the next case, I said you to convert this phi into negative. Then what you will do? Simply you will keep this negative sign in front of this operand. Now you can observe this plus phi is converted as minus phi. Now it is a negative number. Now this minus is an operator which performed its operation over single data value, over single operand. Now that's why minus is also called as unary operator. In the same way, we have not also, logical not. And then here, the second, binary. So binary operator. So binary operator needs two operands, to perform its operation, right? So then in the same way, you can consider plus and minus as a unary, and plus and minus can also be considered as binary also, because addition you can perform on two numbers, subtraction you can perform on two numbers, and the remaining also division, like logical and like, so different operators are there, right? So many, we will discuss all those are binary operators. And then the final third one is a ternary operator. Ternary operator. So ternary operator requires three operands. So what is the such kind of operator in C# is question mark colon. So this is the operator which takes three operands to perform its operation, which is called as ternary operator, or conditional operator can also be considered, right? So this is the basic classification of operators. But so according to the operation which a symbol is going to perform, so it is classified as like arithmetic operators. After that, assignment operators. After that, comparison operators. Comparison operators, or we can call it as a relational operators also. Relational operators. And then logical operators. And then bitwise operators. So these are the different operators we have: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical and bitwise operators, and as well as ternary operator also. So and then one by one we will discuss about the operators section, right? So in the next video we will discuss about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetical operations, like mathematical operations, right? Like the arithmetical operations can be performed only on numeric data, right? Arithmetic operations can be performed only on numeric data, numbers. So what are those arithmetic operators? Like you see, we have plus, minus. For multiplication, we are using star, asterisk symbol, and for division purpose, we are using this slash, like forward slash. Okay, and then after that, to get the remainder of a division, we are using modulus operation. So all these are the arithmetic operators which are used to perform arithmetical operations. By using plus, we will perform addition. By using minus, this symbol we will perform subtraction. By using this asterisk symbol, we are going to perform multiplication. By using this forward slash, we are going to perform division. By using this percentage symbol, we are going to get the remainder of a division. Okay, in the next video, we will understand the working of this arithmetical operators.